Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and to today's tutorial. So today I'll be doing a bridal makeup tutorial, an Igbo traditional bride. So before I start, I'm going to clean off her face with a makeup wipes, and I'm going to go ahead and moisturize and prime her face before I apply the foundation. Apply the foundation with a blending sponge just to make sure everything is blended in properly. I'm going to go ahead with LA Pro concealer, and I'm going to use this concealer to conceal her under eyes, her forehead, 3 different nose, and I'm going to blend it all out. I use the shade medium beige. After blending, I'm going to go ahead with a foundation that is 2 shades darker than her actual skin tone, or darker than the foundation that I use, and I'm going to use this to contour her nose and the perimeter of her face, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out with a blending sponge. Now I'm setting her under eye area with setting powder. I'm going to set the other part that I've already applied concealer on. After applying the setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and apply my contour powder on the perimeters of her face and also on her nose contour. My model was actually difficult to work with because this was actually her very first time sitting on the makeup artist chair and even applying makeup. So I had to go back and forth trying to make her put her head in the best position for us to do this makeup. So guys, applying my eyeshadow, I'm using that brown shade from the Jaclyn palette, and I'm just going to be applying this in a triangular motion. If you understand, you should watch and see what I'm doing. I'm kind of taking it up close to her brow bone area, then blending it downwards into her crease area, just like that, just to create that angle. And after that, I'm going to use that orange shade to blend it all out and also set the brow bone area. I'm going to go ahead with an eyeshadow primer. This is from Fairy Gold Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this to prime her eyelid just a little bit with my finger, just tapping it there. And after that, I'm going to go ahead with using that gold shade from the Jaclyn palette and applying it all over her eyelid, and just like so. I'm going to do the same thing in the other eye, and after that I'm going to go ahead and set her face with the setting spray from Kiss Beauty Cosmetics. I already dusted off excess powder and powdered her face before applying this step. Okay, so time for lips. I'm using a lip palette from Helen Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking this dark shade. It's like a wine color, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corners of her lips as kind of a lip liner. And I'm going to go in and take the pepper red shade and so I'm applying the pepper red shade in the inner corner of her lip, and the inner part, of her lips, and I'm just going to blend it out so that the lip looks perfect and flawless. And then other places so that she can glow. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoy.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when